Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. So I believe that joy comes in the morning. What does that mean? Okay. So in the literal sense, every single day that you wake up, it's a new day for you to be able to go and actually reach your goals and reach your dreams. Um, Additionally, when I think of morning, I think of, a new time of, either reflection or a time of, new growth. For example, there are different seasons inside of your business. For example, I entered a time of mourning a couple weeks ago when I decided to try out a new strategy in addition to the ones that I'm already using. And it really started working a lot better for my e-commerce business, right? And there was a lot of joy in that because it was like a fresh start. I was trying something new, it was exciting, and everything was moving smoothly as a result of doing that. But it's the same thing with your business. You have to be able to be joyful when things start because how you start is how you're going to end out. So, when joy comes in the morning, success comes faster. If you want to be able to reach success faster, I recommend you go check out the link in the description below, which is a link to my free group called Uncapped Growth Strategies, where we help you go and reach your goals in a shorter time period than what you would be able to do alone. Have a great day, talk to you soon, and see you later.